I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Spring may be just around the corner, but right now it's still winter, and nothing tastes better than a nice pot of hearty soup. Now this is supposed to be a copycat recipe from a soup that's served at Olive Garden. I can't confirm or deny that because I've never had this soup before and I don't eat at Olive Garden very often. I found this recipe online and it looked delicious to me. So whether it's a knockoff or not, I'm not really worried about this. I just think it looks like a really good soup, so I want to make it. This soup contains potato gnocchi, which I love, and I've been wanting to make a dish containing that ingredient. Also, this is a CrockPot soup, so I can put this on and go do some other things today, come back later, and it'll be ready. All of those things sound like big check marks to me, so get ready. We're gonna make some creamy chicken gnocchi soup in the CrockPot. You'll want to use somewhere between 1 pound and 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These 2 chicken breasts weigh just over 1 pound. I've diced up a small yellow onion and we're going to add that to our chicken. Next we need 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now y'all know I love my minced garlic in oil, so I'm just going to eyeball and say 1, 2, 3, 4. Next I diced up 2 ribs of celery. We're going to throw that right in our pot. I've grated 2 carrots and we're going to add that next. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, some salt, and pepper. Next, I'll add 32 ounces of chicken broth. And about 8 ounces of water. I've just filled this up about 1/4 of the way and we'll add it from there. Next, we'll get the lid on this. You can turn this on low for 6 to 8 hours, or you can do like me and put it on high for 3 or 4 hours. On the weekends, I usually cook a crock-pot recipe on high, but it was great when I was working because I could turn it on low and leave it all day. Now I'm going to be able to walk away from this, go do whatever I want to do, and come back in 3 or 4 hours for the final steps. Now would be the perfect time to go tap that like button for me, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. 3.5 hours have passed. I'm removing the chicken from the pot long enough to dice it up, then we'll throw it back in and finish up this soup. Once we've cut up the chicken, we're going to add it back into our crock pot. Now we're going to add 1 cup heavy cream. And now it's time for the star ingredient, 16 ounces of our potato gnocchi. That's going to go right in our crock pot. We want to make sure we've broken up that gnocchi so there's no clumps. We'll put the lid back on. We're going to leave this on high for about 30 or 45 minutes until the gnocchi has become tender and the soup begins to thicken. After about 40 minutes, this soup is looking pretty delicious. If it doesn't seem thick enough for you, you can mix a little bit of cornstarch with some water and add that. I'm thinking it looks great. I've washed up 3 or so cups of baby spinach, and now we're going to throw that in. We're going to stir that into the soup. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. Then we're going to put this lid back on for just a little bit longer until that spinach wilts. We are in the home stretch now. This soup is gorgeous, packed with the gnocchi, the spinach, the chicken, and a creamy sauce. I can't wait to try this. Y'all, that's some good soup. That's really good. It turned out great. I'm super happy with this soup. As I mentioned, I didn't make this soup today because it's a CopyCat recipe. I made it because it looked incredible, and it was. So whether you're a fan of this soup at the restaurant or not, pretty sure you're going to love this recipe. I hope you have a really great week ahead. I'll see you soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.